Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the annual revenue of Bread Financial. But before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Bread Financial even is. It's a financial services company that was formed in 2022 when it spun off from Alliance Data Systems. Bread Financial offers a variety of financial products and services, including credit cards, installment loans, and personal loans. So, now that we have a better understanding of what Bread Financial is, let's get back to the question at hand. What is the annual revenue of Bread Financial? Well, according to Bread Financial's latest financial report, their annual revenue for 2023 was $4.29 billion. This was an increase from $3.87 billion in 2022. So, Bread Financial is a pretty profitable company. But how does it compare to other financial services companies? Well, to put things into perspective, Visa's annual revenue in 2023 was $88.6 billion, and MasterCard's annual revenue was $28.40 billion. So, Bread Financial is still a relatively small player in the financial services industry. However, it's worth noting that Bread Financial is a relatively new company, so it's still growing. In fact, the company's revenue has been growing at an average annual rate of 10.6% since 2018. So, it's possible that Bread Financial could eventually become a major player in the financial services industry. Of course, there are a number of factors that could impact Bread Financial's future growth. For example, the company could face increased competition from other financial services companies. Additionally, the company could be impacted by changes in the economy, such as interest rates or unemployment rates. But overall, Bread Financial seems to be on a good trajectory. The company is growing rapidly, and it has a strong brand name. So, it's possible that Bread Financial could continue to be a successful company for many years to come. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.